This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must act quickly. Log into Dream11 with a verified account and make sure you have enough balance or bonus to enter. Once logged in, open the live match page and navigate to the contest type you plan to join. The backup control appears there. Now pick your team rapidly, assign captain and vice captain, and enable backup before the match locks. Do this early so substitutions are available if players don't play. Once backup is enabled, you'll configure who fills in. Choose reserve players for each role so that you cover likely absentees. Then set substitution order or priority if the app offers it. This controls who replaces a missing player automatically, and it prevents poor auto-selections. Make sure your backup choices respect the salary cap or team limits, because auto-substitutions still must fit constraints. Finally, finish by saving and locking your backup configuration well before the match begins. You should see a clear confirmation so you know change is stuck. If substitutions don't apply, first check your internet and that you're on the latest app version, then confirm the contest's specific backup rules. Some contests restrict auto-substitutions. If problems persist, take screenshots and contact Dream11 support immediately, because timely evidence and the allowed dispute window improve the chance of a favorable resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.